Hello guys, so today we are at Rawai Beach. This condominium is just finished about 1 year ago, and it's we are on the rooftop. Look at this amazing view at Rawai Beach. We are looking at the where's the sunrise every morning, and over there you can see a little bit of a chalong right there. So today we are going to have a look at 90 square meters, two-bedroom apartment with the amazing sea view like that. About the project, just been completed about 1 year ago. On the rooftop there is a bar, swimming pool, and a huge fitness center. So let's go have a look at the apartments. So, and here is the apartment. We entering on the left-hand side the kitchen, fully equipped, as we can see. This like small place here, you have all the equipment that you need. Um, Kitchen quite big, very spacious. You can have dinner, lunch here, and then in the night you want to just open the laptop, work a little bit, no problem. Living area. Uh, After the entrance to the right, this is a bathroom, quite pretty standard. So shower, toilet, and the sink. Going further a little bit, this is a master bedroom. I like the colors. It's very light. They use a lot of mirrors as well and nice decorations. Oh, this is a really nice touch. So they have a walk-in closet where you can put your shoes. Yeah, the lady before going out, she can have like a small dressing table over there and hanging clothes up there. And let's go onto the balcony, see the amazing view of Rawai Beach and the sea view. And here we are. Very nice. The sunrise is over there. The whole project surrounded by this greenery and very pleasant to the eye. Going back into the apartment. So this is 45 square meters. The whole apartment is twice as big. So this is the first 45 square meters and then the exactly the same apartment right there. And they are selling together. So because there is a guest right there right now, and they are staying, we cannot go in, but we cannot hear them. It's a very nice soundproofing is really nice. So yeah, this is 90 square meters apartment like that. So okay guys, and let's finalize. So that was a 90 square meters two-bedroom apartment with the sea view. It's really difficult to explain in the video, but the quality was really nice. I liked the kitchen, the tiles, everything looks very nice. So the price for this one will be around 13 million, which is going to be discussed with the buyer. It also depends on the payment plan. So that's the thing. Um, on top of it, I want to add that the furniture is already included, and this is a foreign freehold. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next video.